Dear fellow beings, let me tell you a story called Floating Garden of Smiles. This story comes from a town in Bangladesh where the land and water dance together like old friends. In a village by the river, the rainy season came early. The fields were covered in water. People were worried. How will we grow food now? They asked. But one quiet farmer named Anwar had an idea. He gathered old bamboo, rope, and dried water plants. He tied them together to make something that could float, like a raft. On top, he placed soil and tiny green plants. He made a garden that could float on water. The neighbors came to look. The garden moved gently like a boat. The plants were happy. The children laughed. Anwar smiled. Soon, other families made their own floating gardens. They grew vegetables and flowers. The river no longer felt scary. It became a friend. Birds came to visit. Butterflies danced above the gardens. The water reflected the colors of life. These floating gardens did more than grow food. They gave people hope. They said even when the ground is gone, we can still grow. Sometimes nature gives us a problem, but also a way to solve it. With calm hearts and clever hands, we can float and smile.